name's Jason Willoughby. I'm a director of Bailey's Living. Bailey's Living is a small boutique home builder. We specialise in high design homes for an affordable price. We didn't put a lot of value in the chatbot initially. We saw other websites use it, and we thought we would add on the chatbot functionality. What we were quite surprised about is the amount of people that interacted with the chatbot. So we thought to investigate this further and to look to expand the use of the chatbot, how we can improve it, its adoption in our business model. And for Drift, what it did was, again, because we weren't expecting the chatbot to do so well, we were finding that the directors, including myself, were answering a lot of the chatbot inquiries online via the app, which is very handy on our phones. And it was taking a lot of our time in the evenings. So that was another reason for calling Drift, was to expand the licensing to pass it on to the sales reps, but also to try and streamline the process so it didn't take as much of our time in the evening to answer these inquiries. So, we've adopted better filtering processes to both help the client a lot faster, but also to help us help them. So the information that comes through is a lot more defined. Already it's having a great effect where, before we jump into a conversation, we can see where the client's coming from, what they're generally after. And so when we're jumping in, we're much more advanced in the conversation to try and convert that to an appointment or to the next stage of what we're after. That exceeded our expectations, to be honest. I think it's probably the best service, after sales service, that I've experienced in my work history. So it was exceptional. It was very professional, very regimental, and which is great because it means minimal time to get the best outcome, and that's exactly what we've got. It's about ease of access to the information and how to use our website, especially our website, given a lot of it's online. It's a very online rich content. So I think that'll help them efficiently get the answers to the queries they have to be able to use our services and our online portals that we have in our online product. So it just means it's a lot quicker, a lot more efficient, and they can do it at all hours of the day and night. I see this being quite integral to what we're doing, especially we're very much an online business business model. So this will be integral to what we do to help just filter through and make it a lot quicker for our clients, as well as for us to assist those clients. So we've got a lot of plans to integrate this a lot deeper, but we're going to be doing this in stages as we move through.